episode. Now what I am doing is I'm taking on the journey of the Maico today, and probably for the next few weeks as well. Where you last saw the Maico on your screens, I think, if I remember right, it was probably putting the forks back together. Now there's a lot done for the Maico since then, and what happened was I kind of lost traction on editing the stuff for the Maico, because obviously we had the bike shed show and then the whole move of the workshop and everything went on. But this is a recap of where we were at. Now a lot's happened to the Maico and I'll take you on that journey. But for today, I'll take you all the way back to the old workshop and show you where we were at with the engine last. And what episode are we doing? Oh, yes, this is a new one. This is the Maico 490. Back to that, there's quite a few projects on this. It's a Saturday evening. It's about, what time is it? 20 past 10 at night. It's time that I come to the workshop and kind of relax. And I've got nothing to do, nothing that I can do at this time anyway. I've got everything prepped. Just to give you a sneak peek, got the Ducati there, all taped up and everything. That is ready to be painted. I've also got a bit of a Dexter looking room going on here. So all these sheets, it's very Dexter-esque, I've got to say. Royal Enfield is just sat there at the moment. That's not getting touched, it's going to get moved out of the way luckily. But I don't want the overspray to go on. I've got the Maico frame behind, and I've got, I mean that's not as important, the K100 there doesn't really matter, but I mean mostly it's all my helmets over there. So tonight's job, the Maico 490, I'm going to see if I can get the Maico ready in time for the Malle Mile beach race. And in time for the Malle Mile actually. But the beach race is the weekend ahead of the bike shed show, which kind of puts the pressure on to get 2 bikes finished in time for the bike shed show. Ducati is looking really good, really positive at the moment, so I've high hopes for that. What I have got is this. This is the Maico 490 engine. Now this is a beast of an engine. If you haven't seen this episode before, I am actually restoring my dad's old bike, which is that 490 there. It is a 1982 motocross bike, and these were whole shop beasts back in the day. 490 engine, 2-stroke, single big bore piston going up and down. Pretty much. Really light, considering the size of the engine, really light engine. Has to be for the purpose it was. I am missing a few little fan blades there, but I think my dad did that when he came off the bike. So I'm just going to keep that as is. This is going to be just a cleaned up version of my dad's bike, and I want to remember all these other little bits on here. What I need to do is I'm going to send this cover off to be aqua blasted. I'm going to send this head off to be aqua blasted as well. I'm not going to do the body because I cannot go, especially with the deadline that I've got now, the deadline for the Malle Mile beach race, I can't go to the extent of stripping out the entire body, changing all the bearings, and also the expense of the bearings. I can't do all that in time. So I'm just going to clean up this body myself, aqua blast these are the parts that I can do, job done. that is it with the engine. As you can see, back in the old workshop, familiar sight indeed. Next week's episode, I'm going to take you through the actual building, the reassembling of the whole bike itself. And then we'll show what actually happened to the bike and where we're at and where we're bringing it back up to speed. So if a lot of you follow me on Instagram, you'll soon see what the progress of the Maico is. Tune in on here next week to find out more. So if you like what you see, subscribe, give me a follow on Instagram, and we'll take it up to speed with the whole Ducati, Mongrel, the BMW R100, the Herald, and everything else that's going on under one roof here. But yes, see you next week.